back to the Extra Factor, and as Bon Jovi said... the end of the show, that is. Oh, John and Edward.
I went that way, Backstreet Boys. Backstreet Boys all the way. Best boy band ever. Check out This Is Us. Brand new album.
You were literally their advert.
It's the best album. These guys need to win a Grammy Award.
Backstreet Boys, can you believe it? I mean, literally, they are in love with you right now.
No,
We respect them.
We got
They're
loads
like
of respect for them. They're like the ultimate boy band ever. No boy band will ever come close.
Listen, they actually inspired you to end the show, didn't they? Because your first audition piece, we've got a little clip of this.
I wouldn't sing it near as
Was
good
this
as
on
them.
Backstreet Boys? This is what
Guys,
we
you
did.
can sing
Listen
good.
to this, look.
Guys, that's crap, okay? You guys sing it a million times better.
Look. What do you think?
Guys, that sucks compared to you.
Who you are,
Nah, guys, come
where
on.
you're from, don't care what you do, as long as you love me. But what do you think about that, boys? Good?
Those outfits were fabulous.
Lovely.
Guys, come on.
Well, John and Edward, when you're standing there, what is going through your mind? Because you've got half of the audience cheering and half of the audience booing.
Yeah.
So what do you...
I don't really care because Backstreet Boys is here. You know what I mean?
Look, guys, I feel like you have to like take
Honestly,
on the
guys.
chin because you don't know who's going to go and who's going to leave, and you just need to be on that stage and realize that you put your best performance out there, and you don't know what the public gonna vote. So
OK, well, actually, the Backstreet Boys have got a little treat for you, haven't you, boys?
they're gonna sing bigger.
We do. Since you guys are such great fans of ours, we actually want to invite you guys to our concert.
There are yours! So how about that? What do you think?
And everyone else to buy the tickets also.
Oh, bless you. Well, listen. Well,
Come up
movie
together.
week is next week. Who's the one to watch, Brian?
John and Edward.
John and Edward every week.
going to say that.
It's gonna be, for me, it's gonna be one of the up-tempo performances of the
Good.
show. There's gonna be a lot of ballads because there's such great ballads from
Yeah.
films. So that's gonna be my dance one next week.